So in this video, I'm going to show you the demo of how to sync. So we're going to learn how to sync these two devices in default zone of public or private database. So on the right, this is the actual device because I will not receive the notifications on the simulator. So we are going to sync these two devices in default zone. So in default zone, you don't have access to fetch record changes API. So for default zone, we are going to be depending on query notification for syncing purposes. So we're going to start with public database default zone. Now public database default zone is like a news app. In news app, you can subscribe to, let's just say, CNN, Bloomberg, BBC. So these are different creators and you can subscribe to them. Similarly in here, you are subscribing to every single person but yourself. I mean, you can build a UI and subscribe to a specific creator, but I'm subscribing here everyone else who is not me. So in the simulator, there is a user A, and then the device, there is user B. So if I create a record on the simulator, then the device will actually receive the notification. As you can see, simulator cannot receive the notification. So I'll be making changes in the simulator and you'll see the notification on the device. So let's open the app. And so as you can see, I have a list of topics, and if I click on a topic, then I see list of notes. So here you have one-to-many relationship. So one topic can have multiple nodes and each node belong to a single topic. Also the topic has pull to refresh control. So you can refresh all the data. Then these nodes come with support for images. This is a 6 MB image, so it will take some time to download for the first time. Alright, so this is the full image, 6 MB image, and next time when I open it, it opens immediately, so there is no lag. So there is waiting only at the first time, and once it's downloaded, then you can instantly update the UI. Let me show you in the CloudKit dashboard. So I'm in the app, I'm in the data. Now in the data, I go to public database default zone and I query for nodes. I have a single node record here, and if I click on it, you can see full size image is 6.3 MB and thumbnail is 3.4 KB. It is such a small thumbnail. That's why the table view loads immediately. This small image is 3 KB, whereas this big full size image is 6 MB. And as you can see, this is a read-only node because I am not the creator of this node. Only the creator of this node can edit this. So I created this node and this topic through my actual device. So there is a different user here, different user here. Also, if you had, let's just say, hundreds of topics, then you could have infinite scroll similar to Facebook. I'm going to demonstrate the infinite scroll later in this video. But first, let me create a notification. So when I create a new topic or a new, let's just say if I create a new topic, I'll get a notification on my actual device. So let me call it Apple and new topic. Now you get the notification immediately that topic record has been changed. Now if I create a node, I can also get a notification. So let's just say waterfall, and I have pick image. So now I can pick image from photos. I'm gonna pick this waterfall and I'm gonna save it. So within a couple of seconds, it got saved to the cloud, but that doesn't mean you are gonna get the notification because Apple doesn't guarantee that it will deliver every single notification. Apple only guarantees one of the notification. If you make a lot of changes, at least one of the notification you will receive. So currently I have single notification that says topic changed, but I have also created a note which I didn't get a notification yet. So let's just say I do get a notification at some point, and I click on notification and I open the app. So imagine that you are on actual device and you are just looking at the topics screen, and some record get changed on the iCloud. So for example, let's just say I'm going to delete Apple and I'm going to create a new topic. I might call it Samsung and new topic. It may take a time. At least one of the notification will get delivered, and once it does, the table view will automatically reload with the correct data. So sometimes it takes a very long time. So in that case, you can just create more topic. Just let's say test 2 new topic. Alright, so as you can see, it automatically updates and you get the exact data. Now let's just say on the device you click on Samsung and you are in here, and let's just say iCloud data. Now while you're looking at it, iCloud data changes. So for example, you create a new node. Let's just a grass, and I'm going to add an image of some grass, and let me add another one. Just say, so as you can see, grass is automatically shown up on the actual device, and when I click on the grass, there is absolutely no lag whatsoever. This image was 6 MB, but it loaded full size immediately. There was absolutely no waiting period. And if I add a new topic, new node, let's just say wheels, and I'm not going to add an image, I'm just going to save wheels, and I'm going to delete grass. Now this may take again some time to get the notification, but if you notice, you cannot add a note in here because this user is not the creator. This user is the left hand user is the creator, so you cannot create a note. Maybe add a couple other notes. Good year, and 2017. Alright, so as you can see, all the grass node was deleted, and suddenly all the 4 nodes appear over here. So only one notification has to reach the device and it will fetch all the changes. Now let's just say you are in 2017 node, and I go here and I change and I give it an image. Let's just say I give it this image, long exposure glass waterfall, and then I save it. Now I'm on my device, I'm looking at this, but it is changed on the iCloud. Again, maybe that notification may not have reached here. So let me create a couple of new nodes, call it couple, call it notes. We delete something, delete the old things, delete wheel. See, I got a notification that local cache is updating. So while the first item is being deleted, I cannot press delete on the second item. Alright, so as you can see, I got an alert here that this note was changed in iCloud, and just press OK to refresh the data. When I press OK, I immediately see the new image. Device is automatically getting synced with iCloud. So if I go back, I can see the image thumbnail over here, and if I press, it instantly shows. There is no lag whatsoever. I don't have to wait to download the image from the iCloud. Let's just say I am looking at 2017 and I delete this node. completely from the notes. Alright, so then I suddenly get that this note was deleted from iCloud. So tap OK to go back to note view. And now the 2017 disappears completely. It's not available in the note list. Now let's just say I'm in the year and there's an image there, but if I go and if I delete the Samsung topic only, so the year is within the Samsung notes. So if I delete this Samsung topic, delete, so it deletes not only just topic but all the notes. So for example, let's say so I get a notification that this topic and note was deleted. So tap OK to go back to topic view. So if I press OK, I don't go to the note view, I directly go to the topic view. So while deleting a topic, I get a notification, would you like to delete the topic and all its notes? So it not only deletes the topic, but it also deletes all its notes. I also promised that I'm going to show you the infinite scroll. So let me add, let's just say, lots of topics, and then I will show you the infinite scroll. Alright, so on the right hand side you can see I have list of names as topics, and if I scroll very fast to the bottom, then it downloads. So as you can see, the number of names, the list has automatically gone bigger and bigger, and as I scroll, the list automatically starts downloading. And as I scroll again, from A to Z, I have all the names, starts from A all the way to Z. So normally when you have, let's just say, thousands of records on your public database, then you want to download only the records that you are watching on the table view right now. So you're only going to be watching first max 20 records on the screen. So why download 100 records in the beginning? If you download 100 records when you open the app, then table you will not see the first 20 records unless all 100 records. So you have to wait until everything is downloaded. Now because of infinite scrolling, you can download only what you're watching, what you're looking at on the table view. This will also save the user the data requirement and gives you faster performance. So in this example, we are syncing public database default zone, but in case of private default zone, everything is exactly the same, except when I create subscription, I subscribe to any changes in topics or in notes. So if there is any change in notes or if there is any change in topics, I want to know. In public database, I had restricted to any changes that are not created by me, because in public database there are multiple creators and you can either subscribe to all of them or you can select a few of them and you can subscribe to a few. Whereas in private database, this is your own private database, so you are the single user. So the subscription is very simple, it's not complex. You just give me any changes, anytime topic changes, anytime a note changes, you get a notification. So if you want to learn how to do all this, then just click on the link below and get started. Alright, so that's it for this video. And if you want to learn how to write the code to sync default zone of public database and private database to local cache with support for images, then just click the link below and get started. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.